Welcome back to Automan Spare Parts, your trusted source for OEM engine control modules, transmission control modules, body control modules, fuse boxes, and premium audio components for luxury vehicles. Today, we're covering one of the most commonly failing audio units in Mercedes S-Class and CL-Class cars. The Mercedes W221 S550 CL550 Harman Becker Harman Kardon Amplifier. If your car has no sound, distorted audio, or the system resets randomly, the amplifier may be the issue. In this video, we'll explain all the connectors on this amplifier, a clear pinout layout, which part numbers are direct replacements, which numbers are interchangeable, and which years and models they fit. Let's get started. Before replacing your W221 amplifier, it's important to understand the connectors. The Harman Becker Logic7 Amplifier is digital, not analog, and uses the Mercedes most fiber optic system. There are three main connectors on most units. This small square plug carries both power and the optical audio signal. Pinout looks like this: pin 1 plus 12 volts power. Pin to ground G and D. Pin 3, most fiber optic in. Pin for most fiber optic out. If the most optical signal is not present, the amplifier will not produce sound even if it has power. This is the main harness that runs to all speakers. Here is the practical pin mapping based on Mercedes Logic 7 systems. Pins 1 to 2, front left mid plus or minus. Pins 3 to 4, front right mid plus or minus. Pins 5 to 6, front left tweeter plus or minus. Pins 7 to 8, front right tweeter plus or minus. Pins 9 to 10, rear left plus or minus. Pins 11-12, rear right plus or minus. Pins 13-14, surround left plus or minus. Pins 15 to 16, surround right plus or minus. Pins 17 to 18, center speaker plus or minus. Some W221 amplifiers include an additional tip-in plug for high-power subwoofer support. Pin 1 plus 12 volts high power, pin 2, ground. If your original amp has this plug, your replacement must also support it. Here are different generations of Mercedes Harman Becker Kardon amplifier part numbers. Early generation, part numbers starting with 8 to 21820. These are the first generation amplifiers, followed by mid-generation part numbers starting with 8 to 21870. Late generation, part numbers starting with a 2 to 1900. Important note on interchangeability and replacement recommendations. All the Harman Becker Harman Kardon amplifier part numbers for the Mercedes W221 S550 and CL550, whether 8 to 21820, 8 to 21870, or 2 to 1900 are generally interchangeable across compatible model years. This means older amplifiers can be replaced with newer generation amplifiers. Using a newer model amplifier in place of an older one is usually beneficial because the newer units have improved hardware, better stability, and stronger audio output. However, it is recommended that late generation amplifiers 8 to 21900 series should ideally be replaced with late generation units. This ensures the system delivers full audio performance, including proper Logic 7 surround output and all vehicle-specific sound tuning. Even if the part number is exactly the same, or you are swapping an amplifier from the same year and same model, you will still need to program the replacement amplifier. Why? Because the amplifier must be coded as C uncoded to the vehicles. The IN audio configuration, most fiber optic network. Surround sound Logic 7 settings. Without programming, the amplifier may not work, produce no sound, show most system errors, fail to communicate with comment. So that's everything you need to know about the Mercedes W221 S550 CL550 Harman Becker Harman Kardon Amplifier. Connectors, pinout, direct replacement numbers, interchangeable options, and model compatibility. If you need this amplifier, or any ECU, TCM, BCM, fuse box, or sensor for your vehicle, visit us at www.automanspareparts.com. We ship worldwide and deal only in genuine OEM parts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.